Hello, we're back again, and today for this short tutorial, uh, I'll be showing you how to fix any data errors. So you need to only just go to one website, and that will be it. Just find your DLL. Something that says like DLL missing. So I'll leave the link down below. So for example, you go to B, right? Where you find your DLL that's missing. For example, BAS is missing. So you just find it and install it. Just download it. It's not even like it's no ads. But I don't know because I have AdBlock. So if there is ads, it's download it 100%. That's the short tutorial that eh, similar. It's so simple, you know. Yeah, there's instructions here too if problem still persists. But yeah, I don't really need that. I don't really need it, so I'll show you the files to get. See, that's the okay. Just gonna delete that right now. I don't really need it. So yeah, that's our little tutorial. So bye bye.